Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, debenture is a debt taken by company. Sometimes company issues debenture at a premium. This premium is profit for the company. This is a capital profit. Company may transfer this amount to general reserve as indicated in this question. Let us read question. Anand Limited issued 1,000 5% debentures of rupees 100 each to the extent of rupees 1 lakh at rupees 104. Here nominal value of debenture is rupees 100. It is issued at 104. That means extra 4 rupees you have charged for securities premium on debenture. Payable rupees 14 on application is including premium. That means out of this application amount of rupees 14, 4 rupees is for securities premium. That means balance 10 rupee is towards face value or nominal value of debenture, and the balance on allotment. Balance on allotment means debenture was of rupees 100 plus 4 rupees premium. So we are required to take from debenture holders rupees 104. On application, nominal value 100, securities premium 4, total amount is 104. On applications, we are going to collect 14 rupees, including premium of rupees 4. Now the balance is 90 rupees. This 90 rupees balance will be collected on allotment of debentures. This is allotment amount due rupees 90. The premium on issue of debenture is to be carried to general reserve. This is an additional information we have in this question, that securities premium collected on issue of debenture is required to be transferred to general reserve. There are 1,000 debentures issued. On 1,000 debenture, per debenture securities premium is 4 rupees. So total amount is 4,000, which will be transferred to general reserve. First step is called as debenture application stage. Here company receives application amount from public. Let us record first entry for receiving application amount. On 1,000 debentures, application amount 14 rupees received 14,000. To 5% debenture application account 14,000. Being application amount including premium received from debenture holders. This is the first entry. Now we'll be transferring application amount to debenture account and securities premium account. Five percent debenture application account debit 14,000 to 5% debenture account 10,000 to securities premium account 4,000. Being debenture application amount transferred to 5% debenture account and securities premium account. Here we have completed application stage. Let us move to now allotment stage. Out of 104, 14 rupees are collected on application. That means balance amount to be collected now is rupees 90. Five percent debenture allotment account debit 90,000. That is on 1,000 debentures rupees 90 per debenture to 5% debenture account 90,000. Being allotment amount due on debenture. When debenture holder receives debenture allotment amount, they will pay amount due on allotment, that is rupees 90 per debenture. So our next entry is for receiving debenture allotment amount. Bank account debit 90,000 to 5% debenture allotment account 90,000. Being debenture allotment amount received. We have completed application stage. We have completed allotment stage. Now we are required to record one entry for transferring securities premium to general reserve as asked in the question. Premium on issue of debenture is to be carried to general reserve. So on 1,000 debenture, premium is rupees 4 per debenture. So total 4,000 we have received as securities premium. This amount will be transferred to general reserve. Securities premium account debit 4,000 to general reserve 4,000, being amount of securities premium transferred to general reserve. Thus we have completed all entries as asked in the question. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.